Good morning, my dear students. Take out your SST book, notebook and pencil boxes. Yesterday we were reading chapter number 11, our festival. I told you festivals are special occasion of celebration. Okay, there are mainly three types of festivals: national festival, religious festival and harvest festival. Okay, national festivals are also three types: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Religious festival examples are Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas and Guru. Harvest festival Onam, Vaisakhi. Today our topic is national festivals in details. Understand? Now all of you open your book, lesson 11, page number 49. Please open your book, page number 49. Okay. National festivals are celebrated throughout the country by all Indians. We live in India. Our country name is India and we are Indians. Because we live in India, that's why we are known as Indians. हम भारत में रहते हैं, इसीलिए हम भारतीय हैं. Understand? So the three national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, how many national festivals? Yes, speak along with me. Independence Day, 15th August. When we celebrate Independence Day? 15th August. Republic Day we celebrate on 26th January. Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Understand? There are three types of national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. First we talk about the Independence Day. Now see para Independence Day in your book. On August 15th, when 15th August every year we celebrate our Independence Day. Okay. Why we celebrate Independence Day? Yes, anyone? Because India got independence on that day. Understand? On this day in 1947, India got freedom after a long struggle. This national event is celebrated all over the country. Okay, ये कहाँ मनाया जाता है? पूरे देश में मनाया जाता है. क्यों मनाया जाता है? क्योंकि इस दिन हमारा देश एक लंबे संघर्ष के बाद, अंग्रेजों से एक लंबे संघर्ष के बाद हमारा देश आज के दिन आज़ाद हुआ था 1947 में. Understand? The main function is held in Delhi. और इसका मेन फंक्शन इंडिपेंडेंस डे इसका कहाँ मनाया जाता है? Our capital, India's capital is New Delhi, so we celebrate this in New Delhi. Function held in New Delhi at Red Fort. Okay, the Prime Minister of India unfurls the national flag and deliver a speech to the nation. और इंडिपेंडेंस डे में जो झंडा रोहण होता है वो कौन करता है? हमारे देश के माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी करते हैं. कहाँ करते हैं? रेड फोर्ट पे करते हैं और एक स्पीच, एक भाषण डिलीवर करते हैं देश के नाम. अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हेन वी सेलिब्रेट इंडिपेंडेंस डे ऑन 15th August. Why we celebrate Independence Day? Because on this day India got freedom after a long struggle from Britishers. Understand? In 1947. I hope all of you understand Independence Day. Now second topic is Republic Day. On 26th January we celebrate our Republic Day. It is on this day in 1950 India was declared a democratic republic. 1947 in 15th August 1947 को हमारा देश आज़ाद तो हो गया था, बट इन 1950 में हमारे देश को डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक के रूप में घोषित किया गया. अंडरस्टैंड? This day is celebrated all over India. A grand parade is held at Vijay Chowk in New Delhi. और इंडिपेंडेंस डे में look at this picture in your book. ग्रैंड परेड होता है. कहाँ होता है? The President of India take the salute. President, राष्ट्रपति, okay, of India takes the salute of the march past at Rajpath and parade passes through India Gate. Where is India Gate? It is in New Delhi. Where is Red Fort? It is in New Delhi. Understand? And New Delhi is the capital of India. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Okay. And folk dancers for different states of India and school children also take part in the parade. Okay. On this day, bravery medals are awarded to the armed force as well as to the civilians. और इस दिन बहादुरी का पुरस्कार दिया जाता है हमारी भारतीय सेना को और आम सिविलियंस को भी. Understand? So when we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. Understand? Now we talk about the Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi ji birthday on this day. Okay. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated as national festival on 2nd October. When we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October, the whole country pay homage to father of the nation. Who is father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Understand? What is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Understand? The president, the prime minister and many other visit the Samadhi of Gandhiji at Rajghat in New Delhi to pay their homage. Where is Rajghat? In New Delhi. Okay, Rajghat. This is the picture of Rajghat. So I hope all of you understand what is festival, how many types of festival, what is national festival, how many types of national festival. Let's record. How many types of national festival? There are 3 types of national festival. Independence Day 15th August, Republic Day 26th January and Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. Understand? Now your homework is read about national festival from your book. Understand? आपको national festivals के बारे में अपनी बुक से पढ़ना है and underline the difficult words. और जो भी आपको वर्ड डिफिकल्ट लगे उसको आप अंडरलाइन करेंगे एंड आस्क मी, आप उससे पूछेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? चलिए, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू लीव. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू.